U.S. Breaking U.S. tech news for August 10, 2026. AI infrastructure is getting bigger, America is tightening restrictions on advanced drones, and the AI race is creating a massive demand for computing power. Here are the biggest technology stories you need to know today. 1. Amazon's massive AI power project. Amazon is facing attention over a huge new energy project connected to the growing demand for AI data centers. A planned 7.65 gigawatt natural gas power facility in Texas could become one of the largest fossil fuel power projects in the United States. The project highlights a major problem facing the AI industry. AI needs enormous amounts of electricity. As companies build larger AI data centers, they need reliable power around the clock to run thousands of advanced chips. That means the AI boom isn't just about software anymore. It is becoming a race for chips, data centers, electricity, and energy infrastructure. The environmental impact is also becoming a major part of the technology debate. Point 2. U.S. moves against foreign drones. The U.S. government is also taking another major step involving drone technology. The Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, is proposing restrictions on certain foreign-made drones equipped with technologies such as lidar. Officials argue that advanced drone technology can create national security risks. The proposal could affect some drones used by consumers, businesses, and other organizations in the United States. This comes as Washington continues tightening restrictions around foreign-made technology and trying to strengthen domestic drone manufacturing. The FCC has already taken broader action against certain foreign drone equipment, so this could become another major development in America's drone industry. The Times of India. 3. The AI compute race gets bigger. And finally, the biggest story behind almost everything happening in AI right now: compute. Technology companies are spending huge amounts of money expanding AI infrastructure. Companies are raising debt and equity to finance data centers, AI chips, and cloud infrastructure as demand for AI computing continues to grow. Reuters. At the same time, AI companies are competing for access to massive amounts of computing power. That means the next phase of the AI race won't be decided only by who has the smartest model. It could also depend on who has the most chips, the biggest data centers, and enough electricity to run them. So that's your US technology update for August 10, 2026. From massive AI power projects to new drone restrictions and the race for computing infrastructure, America's technology industry is entering a very important new phase. Subscribe Trendverse for daily US AI and technology news. I'll see you in the next update. United States robot.